Today is day 61 of 2026. In today's vlog, I want to basically tell about like what I did yesterday. That is, I started working on a project for First India Hackathon, which is like focuses on open source softwares and building open source projects for a larger good. So we know that there are a lot of products that have a lot of either freemium or premium subscription that are required to use them basically. So the goal of us is to remove that barrier altogether and create an alternative that is much more accessible to a society for whom accessing that service can be like a problem. Maybe if it is not, even if it's not the best possible uh, alternative that you can create, but it should be able to provide a similar kind of service and solve that problem at some level. Also, like I've been like researching this about like a lot, or like maybe I've come through a lot of these things that we know that there exists a lot of mental health helplines available for us to use when we don't want to talk to a person close to us or maybe even a friend, because there are things that we feel that they may not be able to resolve since they are not much aware of how to deal with things, or they have the same life experience as us. Sometimes we may reach out for a professional help, and it's okay, I would say. First of all, now there are different types of service. Some prefer an on-call service and some prefer on-chat. When it comes to on-call, I feel there are way more services that are available, whereas when it comes to chat services, there are quite a few and you need to spend a lot of time finding out about them. So a couple of them, actually just two of them that I feel have worked up till now, is like uh, Teen Talk India, which is like a good one, and I've used it recently, and the experience is quite good. Like they give you at least like they wait till they hear you and they respond to you. Like they try to make you understand and like they try to help you out. And it's not like they act like they are running out of time. Another one is Vanjravela Foundation, I think, if I'm not wrong. You can just check out the site if you want. It's for people basically who are not comfortable with talking on call, or people do have anxiety. So it depends whether you prefer call or talk. And sometimes the situation that some people like prefer call because they feel that the environment that they are not in basically is not going to help them to safely express themselves. So that is another thing. So yeah, sometimes you should try to like I feel reach out to this side. Like initially, I will tell you there was a point in my life where I hated the word called counselors. I had a kind of phobia to it because of one of the school things that had happened, where I had a whole negative perception about them. Basically, like them doing something that was inappropriate for a person that age. After which, I was like, whenever I heard them, they like, no, no way, no, I'm not going near them, because I had that negative perception that was built. But over time, like I have reached out a couple of times for different reasons, and I think that negative perception has like gone away, and it's a good thing. So yeah, with that I end D 61 of 2026.